How to set alarm on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to set an alarm on an Android phone. Firstly, open the clock app on your device. At the bottom of the screen, you will see different tabs like alarm, clock, timer, and stopwatch. Tap on the alarm tab if it's not already selected. Now tap the plus button to create a new alarm. Use the hour and minute slider or the numeric pad to set the time you want the alarm to go off. Once you are done with that, remember to select AM or PM if you are not using a 24-hour format. Once you have done that, you can customize the alarm by choosing between ring once or custom. Let's tap on custom, and from here you can easily repeat on certain days by selecting the days of the week. Once you have done that, you can enter the alarm name, ringtone. If you wish to toggle on the button for vibrate, you can toggle it on, as well as you can customize the snooze one. Tap on snooze and make sure to toggle it on if you wish to. Select the interval, the times, and after you are done with everything, tap on done button at top right corner of the screen, and the alarm has already been set on your Android phone. So that was quite easy and simple. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips videos.